good. Good. Good.
It's like, oh God.
Good. Now my tongue hurts.
Why is the cheese so... We should put this on YouTube. Boy eats Hot Pocket.
No, I don't want to eat it anymore.
I'm not taking a picture.
I'm not comfortable with this. Okay, look at that. Oh! Your hand. I'm starting to cry. Here, do you want that half so you don't burn yourself?
He's gonna eat it. It might kill him, but he's gonna eat it.
Oh God, this is... You do not know how enjoyable this is to taste.
It doesn't even need a cheese. Where I got my tongue? I can't feel my tongue anymore.
There's no taste. Seriously, man, stop eating it.